Welcome back. This one is short but powerful. It is about format control, and once you get into the habit, it will save you a significant amount of editing time. Let me show you what I mean. The same information can be requested in completely different shapes, and the format you choose should match where you are going to use it. Watch how I take the same topic and get 3 entirely different outputs just by changing the format instruction. Prompt variation 1. Summarize the benefits of prompt engineering in a table with 2 columns, technique and business benefit. Prompt variation 2. Give me the same information as a bulleted list I can paste into a slide deck. Prompt variation 3. Now, rewrite it as a short executive summary paragraph for a board report. Identical content, 3 different formats. Ready to use in 3 different places without any manual reformatting. Before you send any prompt, ask yourself, where is this going to be used? A slide? An email? A report? Specify the format, and you will spend far less time editing the output. In our final demo video, I will show you iterative refinement, the technique that separates professionals from casual users. And I will wrap up the whole series with a summary of everything we have covered. I'm Oliver from Gooseberry AI. See you in the next one.